given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed.
It was good, y'all niggas. Back with another video. Doing shit. So, before we get into it, I would like to say, fuck. I would like to say, please subscribe, like, comment below, and share this video. And after that, check out my other playlists. I got 4 playlists: Alpha Male Knowledge, Semen Retention, Real Life Stories that I learned, and How to Fitness, right? I also got a course that's going up. I got 2 courses: Female Nation, Self Improvement. If you want them, you can email me. Email's in the description, or you can comment down below your email and I'll send it to you. You can comment down below your email and then which one you want. You can get both if you want, and I'll send them to you. So let's get into this video, right? Topic today is the rules that you niggas should be following to better your semen retention experience. Personally, these are not the rules that everyone follows. This is what I found personally. Everyone is different, you know what I mean? Just like, I don't get no comments in the comments that say, I tried this and this shit didn't work. Yeah, okay. Yeah, sure. But yeah. And bear in mind, I'm going to give you reasons why you should be doing this shit again. Number 1, purpose. You got to be doing a purpose or assignment or a mission. The purpose of this semen retention, semen is basically what masculinity is, right? And what is masculinity? It's progressive. It's doing things. It's creating things and all that shit. There are 2 ways of doing this shit. You can either create good shit or create bad shit. And let's be real, if you're creating bad shit, you're being lazy and shit like that, doing nothing on YouTube all day and shit like that. Yeah, we don't do that over in the Magic Pill thing. We create good shit, we create good lives for ourselves and for other people. Right? That's why you gotta be on your purpose or your mission. Number 2, you gotta work out. You gotta work out. I mean, look, one of the benefits, right, it says that your muscle mass and you get bigger quickly, right? You get bigger quickly. You can't get bigger quickly if your muscle ain't doing the work, right? Theoretically, right? Yeah. And I ain't no fitness major on that shit, right? I'm pretty sure you need some shit to get this shit going. Like, you gotta be there because you gotta strive to being the better person, and it's not really gonna help you. Because with more doing your thing, more sexual urges, it's like with bulls, and we're like bulls in a way, right? A bull, when he wants to fuck, right, it'll do everything. I mean anything. Can you jump over fences just to mate with a cow? And then you will legit do the same thing. No cap. You would do the same. You go to extreme lengths just to get some ass, and you don't want to do that. It can lead you to being a simp. It can lead you to being, I don't know, giving this bitch money. It can lead you to doing hooking. Nah, you don't do that. That's why you can do weight training, all that shit. And you takes all that extra testosterone into your muscles, and then they turn into proteins and all that shit. And get little. You use up most of your energy source, your life force, to build up your muscles, which is good on your part. Number 3, no peaking. You shouldn't be doing no peaking or urging. You guys know what that is, like watching porn, but not really masturbating. Okay, guys, like what the fuck? What y'all niggas doing that for? Like, the purpose of semen retention is not to do the porn thing anymore. And besides, when you're in semen retention, your energy is now it's amplified, like to where everyone can see this shit. So if, like, for example, you watch porn, right? On semen retention, people will feel that you do something weird. You're doing something weird, right? But or if you eat meat or something, people are like, oh, he kills animals. He eats killed animals and shit like that, right? Or like that, right? And then if he says, oh, he's a vegetarian, you'll feel like, oh, people will feel like, oh yeah, this person, he's what do you call it? He doesn't eat animals. He eats plants, some shit like that. I guess like that. And you don't want to be, because when you're on semen retention, you be peaking. People want to feel that shit, and shit won't happen for you. and overall it makes the experience more enjoyable and easy. Sometimes you just don't work hard, you work smart sometimes, you know what I mean? Sometimes. And the last one is helping others. I mean, we shouldn't be selfish with all this energy, we gotta give it to people. I'm not saying fuck bitches, I never said that. I'm gonna say you go where you are, go and talk to people, make them bring up that mood. If you see a friend of yours low, go up to him, bring up his mood. If you see someone in your class who doesn't look that happy as usual, go up to chop it up. Because as you are talking to them, that energy, your energy is spreading towards them. You see, that's what y'all niggas want. Try to make everybody as much as you can. Try to make as many people as you can, just to, like, you know, raise up the energy and shit like that. Of course, I mean, after all, this is the purpose. Like, Semen Retention is just to create things, create good shit and bad shit. You can create good shit and you can create bad shit. We trying to create good shit over here, and yeah, that's all I got for y'all niggas. These are the 4 rules that I believe you should be doing. And yeah, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment below, subscribe, comment down below if you got any other shit you should be doing. Share this video for niggas that are trying to do the Semen Retention. I got 4 playlists: Semen Retention, Out From My Knowledge, Health and Fitness, a lot of stories that I learned from them. Don't forget to binge watch my shit, like my shit, subscribe to my shit, share my shit. I mean, yeah, holla back at your boy. Shit.
What you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose